marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 7:45 p.m. At 5:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing dangerous winds in excess of 50 knots and large hail 60 nautical miles southwest of Northerly Island, moving northeast at 20 knots. This thunderstorm will be near Northerly Island in Calumet Harbor around 6:40 p.m. Wilmette Harbor around 6:45 p.m. Motorists should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m. Sunday evening for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.